What's up, YouTube? It's Griot, Gyro. Shoot, that's the wrong intro. It's Griot gang in this thing. So look, y'all. Basically, I am now quarantined. That's why I haven't been uploading that many videos. But basically, when people are stuck in a house like this, there's two types of people, right? There's the people that sit in their house all day and watch Netflix, and then there's the people that actually get the things done and do actually what they want to do in life. And right now, I'm leaning towards the people that actually want to do what they want to do in life, basically. So basically, while I've been taking a break, while I haven't had videos to post, I had certain videos that I could have edited, but that just wasn't my jig and things right now. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to build my own business, really. I'm starting with online business, e-commerce. It's all about like marketing. It's like you're marketing, and then you're finding things for a cheaper price, and then you're putting your own jig on things and raising the price up. And you're basically bringing in sales, and you advertise it through Facebook, and you advertise it through Instagram influencers. So basically what that meaning is, that what I do, right, is I'm basically the middleman in this situation. I've been working a lot on this stuff. I actually have 3 products that I already own. The product I actually started this website right here. It's called Jewelry Customs, and basically I was selling jewelry all on this website. So basically with this website, you can pick your customized jewelry, you can pendants, and all this other thing. Is it real? No, it's not real, but you basically get the jig of it. You get to do whatever you want. You get to pick what you want. You get to buy what you want. That's basically what I started out first. Although I didn't get any sales, I didn't make any money, I just wasted money doing that. So on to the next one. I'm gonna let you guys watch this Griot Pause ad because I did find some good earbuds, my name on it, slapped it together, and just roll the ad. So as you guys see, I know it was hard. Basically I got my thumbnail designer to make that ad for me, and I started advertising across Facebook. This time I actually got sales. Proud that I actually sell. I didn't know things. I didn't know how things worked. So what I did is I cut off my advertising and my marketing, and so that's how things went. It didn't go the best for me, and me hopping into business, I thought it was gonna be really easy and things like that for the best of me, but it wasn't. In business, it's gonna be a lot of failures, and you guys should know that you have to fail before you succeed in life. Everybody is not gonna get everything good on their first try. Usually that it never happened. You don't pick up a basketball and you don't turn into Kobe Bryant on your first try. Kobe actually did a lot of training in his life, and he actually worked to be one of the best player in the league. So that's basically how things are running out now. I'm working now while I have the time at home, so I don't have to actually do all of that other stuff while I'm in school, while I'm trying to hang out with friends, while we're actually stuck in home. I'm going to be productive in the house, other than doing stupid stuff like the rest. I'm not gonna say no names, but I mean, it's y'all. And last but not least, right, I do have a hoodie, like hoodies and clothing and apparel that I thought was gonna work. I actually dropped that today, but this video won't be posted on the same day that I'm doing this. So it was quarantine and chill apparel, and as people all watching Netflix right now, I'm thinking, bam, it's gonna be a great product. But I didn't think outside the box. Why would people buy clothing right now? So that failed, but it did not fail yet. If you guys want to get you a brand new quarantine and chill hoodie for a cheap and affordable price, I advise y'all to go check out the website. All right, just go check out the website. Really good quality, 100% cotton. It's not made from China, so I 100% advise you guys to actually get a quarantine and chill hoodie. Okay, it's not only supporting me, but it's supporting you as well. I mean, you're quarantined and chilling. I mean, you might not have no little shorty or no girl at the at the moment, but I mean, you quarantine and chill by yourself. You don't need nobody, basically. So that's actually the third product that I dropped. Getting on to this, I'm actually really liking the light business a lot, and I almost strayed away from YouTube because I just wanted to be in business all the time here. That's why I see I'm outside, I'm just working. It's actually a pretty great day, so I have to get some nature, get some fun inside of me, and that's basically what I'm doing today. And today is going to be more of a productive day than more of a slouchy downside day. Basically what you guys want to do is just spend this time that you really can't function outside of life or do anything outside of life, and find what you're good at. Like, let your mind settle for the better. Go outside, get this sun, bro. This sun is going to be here. It's not going to be here for the longest, all right? So take advantage of the sun. Like, get what God gave you, right, and put it into your life, and you put it in your perspective, and you find out what you're good at. Don't just sit at home, watch Netflix, and you're not gaining anything out of that, okay? I know there's going to be bots, okay? There's going to be bots in this world, and half of the time, or most people around this world, they are bots, okay? There's nothing wrong with being a bot. I'm just not a bot effectively. I'm actually my own person. I'm Griot. I have my own definition for me as a person, and I don't look down at anybody. I look at anybody just like they're basically equivalent to me. The only downside of that is, or do they have the same mindset as me? Do they want to chase their dreams like me? If not, then they're a bot, but that don't mean that I'm better than them. That's why I'm just trying to explain to y'all in this video, because there's people out in the world and they actually do think that I'm better than them. No, I'm not. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm just a normal guy, but I actually chase my goals and worry about what my future is going to be, other than worrying about who's outside in quarantine, worrying about who does this, worrying about what people post, worrying about a girl. No, none of that. Not me. I'm actually a better version of myself, and I want to change things now so I don't have to change them later. So that's basically what I'm trying to get my point across in this video. Find what you're good at, find what fits your happiness and you can do for the rest of your life. Bam, you're set. You're set for life, and you're actually enjoying life and making money and making profit while you're doing it. So who's gonna complain with that? I mean, I'm not gonna complain with it. I'm loving life right now, and I always have loved life. I had my downfalls and I had my upsets, but I mean, at the end of the day, I love life, and I love God for giving me this beautiful life. I mean, like just look at the nature I'm looking at for you, with you guys. Like, just look at this. What I'm looking at every single day. I'm playing outside by myself. I mean, I don't really need anybody to make me happy. I'm basically happy by myself, and I can do this on a day-to-day basis and not have to worry about anything. So this is what you guys should be doing. I'm not saying I have the biggest house of all time. I'm glad that my parents can afford than where we live at. I do live in somewhere I don't want to live at, but I mean, I'm going to take what I have and I'm going to put it to use, and I want to get the best out of it. So I really want you guys to take this information that I gave y'all today and actually put it into you guys' heads. I know a lot of you guys won't actually do that, but I mean, it's 100% fine with me. I'm going to live my life and I'm going to do what I want to do. So in case of me inspiring you to be better, but I'm going to continue to be successful whether or not you like it or not. So basically, if you want to sit at home and you want to watch Netflix all day and you don't ever want to do anything with your life, go right ahead, because I'm not going to stop you. I'm going to do what I need to do. And by the information y'all got out of this video, just taking in the mindset, taking in a personally, and just be a better version of yourself. Try to get things done, try to be productive. And I will have more and more e-commerce videos, more and more business videos coming out for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got something that y'all needed to get out of this. And y'all just be productive, man. It's not that hard. Just quit being lazy. You don't got to be lazy every single day of your life. You can upgrade yourself. You can be better with yourself. And then you don't have to be in the house all day. Like, this is actually my first day working outside because, I mean, it's beautiful outside today. So just enjoy what God gave you. Take as much advantage of it as you can, because nobody knows where this coronavirus is going to go. I should never say coronavirus because now I'm going to get copyrighted. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's Griot gang in this thing, or out this thing. Remember, stay true to yourself, stay true to anybody else, and I'll see you guys later.